is not emptiness. It is the ground beneath thought, the space where clarity is born. Without silence, there is no music, only distortion. The paradox is very simple. The more we chase noise, the less we truly hear. Yet in silence, we discover the voice that has always been waiting. For silence is not the absence of sound. It is the presence of everything unspoken. And in that stillness, we could finally hear the world. We would finally hear ourselves, just maybe for the very first time. Keep inspired, keep reflecting, and keep growing.